can't win, Darth. If you strike me down, I shall become more powerful than you can possibly imagine.
I came in the garage today to see this hanging on the wall. My dear husband suggested I've got a whiteboard for the channel, but instead of getting me a new one, I ended up with an old one. If you don't recognise it, let's see if this helps refresh your memory.
My name is Matt, welcome back to the shop, and today we are starting episode 1 of the discussion about talk.
Yes, this is Matt's old whiteboard from his workshop channel. I hope he approves. I won't be using it much, but I hope I will learn from it by osmosis. And we won't be needing this anymore. That's it for this very short video. Tell Matt you've seen his board in its new home, and I'll see you all next time here on Biker Stuff.